Breathe in through your nose, hold, and breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, hold, breathe out through your mouth. Keep repeating this process a few times. Allow your body to begin to relax. You may notice whatever it is will slowly come up. Either your body may begin to relax more and more as you listen to my voice, or it may start to stiffen up. Anything and everything is all right, because every human body has a different way of expression. I want you to take your focus on your temples and feel them relaxing. Release all the stress, the pressure, the expectations, the anxieties. Release all the thoughts that are coming to you. Park them, they are not going anywhere. But for the next 40 minutes, gift yourself this next 40 minutes to release whatever it is that you need to let go. Now move your focus to your jaws and allow them to relax. Now shift your attention to your navel and release all the tension. Let it all go. Keep focusing on your breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in into your stomach. Hold and let go. You don't need to relax. It may be that your body needs to heal in other ways. However you feel is fine. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing right. There is nowhere to go, and there is nothing to do. Nothing that can't wait. You should know that your subconscious mind is an expert in healing and balancing the safe and natural way. Like a tree that lets go of its leaves, the seasons changing, the sea changing from liquid to air, become aware of your breathing. Imagine now that you are breathing in that life energy through the soles of your feet. Breathing it up through your body and breathing it out off the top of your head. Breathing in through the soles of your feet. Breathing out the top of your head, not your fingertips. Keep your eyes closed and stay with the sound of my voice. Some of you may notice a life energy like a tingling sensation or a numbing sensation in their feet or in their hands or even maybe the fingertips. Please know it, there is no right or wrong way to flow with this experience. I am now going to count to 5, and as I count, you are going to go deeper and deeper into your subconscious along with the sound of my voice. 1, going deep. 2, going deeper. 3, moving deeper and deeper. 4, moving very, very deep into the subconscious mind. And 5. So today I will tell you an old story about a Buddhist statue. As I narrate the story, you may experience that your arms and feet may get heavier. And you can enjoy that in your own way. Because people can experience a pleasant and deep sense of comfort, or it can be a botheration. Allow your body to relax deeply. Whatever is coming up, let it. During the course of this meditation, if you feel like healing, crying, allow it to flow. Do not stop anything. So in the mid-50s, there was a monastery and they wanted to relocate to make room for a new highway. And they arranged for a crane to come and move a 20 feet tall clay Buddha statue to its new location. When the crane started to lift the statue, it was much heavier than expected and it began to crack. Wanting to protect the priceless shrine, the monks lowered it back down and decided to wait until the next day to bring more powerful equipment. To add more insult to already the injury, the rain came in. So the monks covered the statue with tarps to keep the moisture away. In the dark night, the head monk, the Zen monk, took his flashlight and went out to make sure that the Buddha was still covered and that the statue was all right. When the light of the flashlight shone into the crack of clay, he saw a glimmer, a reflection of something underneath that shroud of clay. He immediately started to carefully chisel away shards of the clay to find that glimmer inside. And that glimmer inside started to grow brighter and brighter. Hours later, he kept at it. And when all the clay had been removed, he was suddenly in the presence of a Buddha, a statue made of solid gold. As you continue to listen to this positive and valuable words, I will share with you how you already have started to activate a process of chiseling away the old clay of worries, fear, stress, and anxiety in your own subconscious mind. And this will continue with every second and every minute of every breath. Now I want you to imagine that you are walking on a warm beach. This can be any beach you like. Either you can imagine a beach that you know, or you can just visualize a beach if you've never been to one. You are there by yourself, all alone, and imagine you are walking so close to the sea that some of the waves are touching your feet. See what you notice first. Is it the sound of the waves? Maybe it's a sight to see the sky. Maybe it's the sand. Or maybe it's the warmth, the feeling of sand and water on your skin. Or maybe it's that fresh, clean, and high vibration. Or it's a combination of everything. Suddenly you realize there is a thick rope tied around your waist. Look at that rope tied around your waist. It is a very thick rope. And as you look behind you to see where that rope is ending, you see that there is a big anchor, a heavy iron anchor. And it is made of your accumulated thoughts, your worries, fears from the past, and fears about the future, your guilts, your regrets. They hinder you, they hold you back, and they have kept you from your inner peace and harmony, from your joy and freedom. Look up. There is a road going in front of you, right ahead of you. And further ahead, something is glimmering in the sand and it catches your attention. You drag yourself towards it. You drag the heaviness with you. When you come closer to it, you realize it's a blade. And it looks and feels like that it's from ancient times. It's like there is an energy link between you and that blade. And suddenly you notice your name appears on the handle of that blade. Now a part of you is curious. However, your higher self knows that this blade is here for a reason. It's like life has given you an opportunity, a chance, a choice to deliberately cut the rope and let it all go. Cut off the anchor now. Let go of all the worries and unwanted feelings that you've been dragging with you. Maybe you feel a sense of relief, a sense of freedom, lightness, or something else. Maybe your body is working through this in its own way. If tears come, allow them to flow. Allow them to finally let go. The way you go through this is the way that is right for you. And it is safe for you to let go now. Imagine the waves crashing into the anchor as it starts to magically rust to pieces right before your eyes. And it is safe for you to let it go. The anchor disappears more and more with each new wave. Even the rope dissolves while it floats further and further from the shore. Imagine the sun surrounding you with a beautiful radiant light, and the energy is shining down on you, enveloping you, filling you with a peaceful silence, a quietness which is flowing through your veins, and it is actually permeating every cell in your body. Feel every atom, every molecule of your body, your mind, your spirit. Allow yourself to be healed and balanced. Become aware of that deep sense of peacefulness inside you as you are doing this. And I'll now leave you in silence for a few moments as your body, your mind, your heart, and spirit continues the process of letting go and healing. and you are doing good. The sun is communicating these compassionate words with every atom, every molecule of your body, mind, and spirit. You can feel calm now and balanced. And this calmness and sense of balance is going to grow and grow each day. More and more focused, peaceful, and calm. Your subconscious mind Your subconscious mind is enjoying and absorbing all the beneficial suggestions that I'm making and that I'm giving you in a safe and perfectly natural way. And you're doing good. You're allowing control of your body, mind, and emotions, and you are feeling better and better. Feeling calm, harmonious, and relaxed at all times. This calmness, the inner peace is growing and spreading through and around your body. And as you continue to relax, the things in life that were not giving you a positive experience, now even they seem to calm you. Now they make you feel stronger. Now they seem to connect you with your inner strength and inner power. Whatever you experience in life, you are bigger than that. Know that you are part of something much bigger than yourself. And you choose to show up in your life and honor the opportunity that you have been given. You are pure life force and human body. You are life and you are worthy. Imagine that you start walking forwards along the beach, leaving footprints in the sand. The sun still beaming its powerful celestial energy upon your being. You feel surprisingly more free. Imagine that every step, every footprint represents patterns that are not supportive of your intentions to live to your full potential and to live a powerful life. And it is safe for you to let go now. It is time to let go. So you walk steadily and courageously towards your new future. After a while, you turn around and you notice that your footprints are being washed away by the waves. Your first few steps are gone now. They are washed away. So let go now. and it is safe, and you are doing so good. With each step you take, you feel lighter and more free. You feel walking more and more effortless towards your future. There is much more freedom ahead of you. And you continue to walk forward. There is a person approaching. It is you. It is you 1 month from now. Notice how relaxed that future you feels. Notice how good that future you feels. That balanced energy is emanating from that you over there. That future you is coming towards you and gives you the warmest, most compassionate smile and hug that you have felt in a long time. Feel all that love, that compassion, unconditionally flowing between you and the future you as you say thank you. Thank you for taking care of me. I love you. Thank you for being so compassionate to me. Thank you for loving me and accepting me for who I am. Thank you. The effect of these positive words will be reinforced in your dreams, and they will compound in your sleep. When you'll wake up, you will feel marvelous, looking forward to another great day in your life. You'll feel confident to do all the things that you want to do, that you have to do. It's getting easier and easier. Situations that used to bother you, now they seem to be making you stronger. They seem to connect you with your inner power. And it's getting easier and easier. And you are understanding the bigger picture. You start to detach more and more. And you start to relax more and more. You are the calm one, the confident one, the positive thinker in any situation. You feel good. You feel calm. You feel peace. You feel relaxed. And you are doing good. You always find surprisingly good solutions. And your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Your potential to succeed is infinite. You can feel the inner power and harmony now to do the things that you want to do, that you have always wanted to do. And this inner power is growing when you sleep. In your dreams now, you will feel calm, strong, confident, relaxed. Each day, as you become increasingly more able to let go and relax, So you feel a sense of calmness, a sense of peacefulness growing inside of you. You don't need someone from outside and give it to come and give it to you. And this growing feeling of inner calmness, of quiet confidence, is sufficient to reassure you that as each day passes, you are more and more becoming the person you'd like to be, the ideal you and the authentic you. You are worthy. You are a believer in yourself. You are more than good enough. You are valuable and you are important. You are worthy and you're more than good enough. You are courageous and you stand up for yourself because you choose to be you. You are flexible to change what is happening in your life. The more accepting you are to the change, the easier it feels. Change is a natural aspect of life. It is a sign of life, and you choose life. You are a beautiful expression of life. You breathe easily in a relaxed way. You detach more and more from the earthly drama that is going on around us. You can begin to experience a greater sense of joy in your life now. And as each day passes, you become happier, healthier, and more fulfilled and totally at ease in yourself. You are safe. You are safe. You accept that you are you. All these words that I'm saying are vibrating at the frequency of truth. And because all of this begins to happen now, you begin to feel much happier, much more content, and much more optimistic. Much more positive in every way. You radiate goodness. The future you and the now you embrace one more time. And this time you become one. You merge into each other. I will give you a few moments to be with that merger. When you feel ready, start to come back. And as you come back, you will bring with you this positive, radiant energy that emanates from within you. Your inner light shines stronger and brighter than ever. And you may be surprised by how calm, strong, and confident you feel. All is well, know it. And you start to love fully, to live fully, and start to shine your beautiful light. I will now begin to count from 5 to 1, and when I reach 1, you will open your eyes feeling refreshed and happy and relaxed and peaceful. 5, you start to come back. 4, you're coming up now. 3, you start to experience the room around you, your body. 2, and 1. You may now slowly open your eyes. Eyes open, wide awake.